Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. Django ni free open source high level web framework. Katika episode hii tutaona namna ku add form. Form hii ni backend form ya Python kwa kutumia free open source library ya Crisp. After adding customer loan, unaenda katika admin site. Utaklik katika loan module. After then, admin yuko kwenye position ya ku accept, ku reject au kuweka pending particular loan. For example, after adding a particular loan here, then admin atakuja hapa kwenye status, then status inaweza kufanya kuwa rejected, approved or pending. Or unaweza ka click kwenye particular loan. Okay, after clicking now, yupo kwenye position ya ku change from active to not active or from pending to rejected. Okay, so now for example, current status for particular loan ambayo ni click pending. So unaweza ka click hapo, then ka click rejected, after then ka click save. Okay, now good. So you can see now loan status is rejected. Okay, then you can change this from active to not active. After that, click save. Now good. Now loan status is not active and the status ni rejected. Or unaweza ka click hapo, ka click approved. Okay, then utakuja hapa not active, utaset kwa active. Okay, after then click save. Now unaweza kaona hapa color has been changed na hii icon imekuwa checked. Okay, or naweza nikaset kwa pending. So nitaklik hapa, then nitachagua pending. Okay, so then nitaklik hapa, nitafanya kwa active, then nitaklik save. Now you can see status is pending na rangi inabadilika, imekuwa ni yellow color. Or I can click particular customer kisha naja kubadilia hapa. Okay, so rejected and not active, then click save. Okay, so now you can see loan status now is rejected, loan status is not active and the status is rejected as well. Okay, and this is the pagination. Unaweza click next kuona more loans. Hizi loans ni loans zilizochukua na customers. List of customers hizi hapa. So hawa customer ndio waliochukua loan. So there is a relationship between customer and loan. Okay, which relationship? Nikiklik kwenye particular loan, nikiklik kwenye customer huyo hapo. Now, hizi sehemu ambazo zina hizi icons, hii ni relationship ambayo imetengenezwa. So now, for example, this is a customer full name. I can edit. Naweza click hii icon. Okay, after clicking now, hapa naweza nika change customer names. For example, first name, last name. After changing, na click save. After clicking save now, hiyo change itakuja ku apply hapa. This is the employee ID ambaye ame add hii loan. Nikitaka kuedit na click hapo kwenye hiyo icon. Okay, after then I can edit what employee name, last name and department. Okay, so hapa kwenye department again naweza nika edit department. Ta click hii icon, tatokea dialog box, another dialog box. Then from here I can edit what a department. Okay, okay, so now how to implement. Now remember kwamba imefanyika backend validation. When I click submit, this is the backend validation na loan status natoka kwenye backend validation. Okay, na hii list of customers natoka kwenye backend data, ambao hii list of customers ni hawa hapa customers ambao kwenye system. Okay, so ina fetch customer kisha hiyo kwa display hapa list of customers from backend. Okay, so now good. Okay, so now open a project, open Visual Studio Code and access what loan. Okay, so now click on loan.html. So this is loan.html. Then access source code. This is a source code. Kwenye source code find a loan. Okay, so where is loan? So we have a form loans here. Okay, so now click on form loans kwenye source code ambayo download. Okay, so now copy this source code. Okay, now copy it, come to a project, then create a Python file. Python file uta create katika our application. So inside your application, right click, now choose new file. New file, then write loan underscore form dot py Python file extension, click enter. So from here just paste code ambazo copy. Okay, paste. Okay, so from Django import forms. What is the forms? Forms is a file ambayo inakuwa responsible na create a form. So now ukibonyeza control keypad nikai hold, then nika click on form. Okay, now you can see file yenyewe ndio hili lipo kwenye path ya C users my computer name app data local programs, Python version, lib site packages, Django and forms. Hii file imetoka katika hiyo path, okay? If you utaka verify this path, unaweza kwenda katika hii path kwenda kuverify hii path, okay? Now is good. So what is forms is a file, is a Python file. From .models import loan, okay? Now when I press control keypad and holding, nikija kubonyeza hii loan, now you can see this is our loan model. Our loan model hii hapa, loan model ambayo ina number of fields, loan ID, customer, employee ID, loan status and so on, okay? So now on form hapa to just create our form. So this class itakuwa responsible kuweza kuregister model kwenye our form, okay? Then class method itakuwa executed once hii form inakuwa called. Then hii form ina take model from loan, okay? Loan model again, when I click utakuja kuona inaleta hapa katika hii hapa what loan, okay? Okay, so now good. Then fields display all fields. All fields means all fields from loan ID, customer, employee ID, loan status and so many, okay? Okay, after doing so, now save changes, okay? Then come to our views, access views and access loan function ambayo ina return loan.html, a function ambayo ina return loan.html. So now find it. Okay, so this function returns loan.html. So from here we process what post request. We process post request. Now suppose after user submitting form here hapa, I click submit, tunataka tu process post request, okay? Tuna process post request kupitia view. So view ina perform logics, okay? So now here come to our source code, okay? From source code now, then open views.py, okay? This one now good. Then access loan function, okay? I think on top, this is home function, this is loan, okay? So now here this is register a loan, okay? So copy from this line until return render, okay? So now copy it. Now open a project. From loan hapa just right click and paste, okay? So now good. So indentation kwenye Python ni mandatory, so just naika hivi indentation and now delete return, okay? So return loan.html. Where is loan.html? This file, okay? Loan.html. Form equal to customer loan, okay? I think it is not defined. Customer loan is not defined, okay? So now we need to import hapa. So hapa tuli comment kwenye previous episode, now remove comment, okay? From dot, okay, from our form is loan form, okay? So from loan form, so just choose this one, loan form, then import this function customer loan, okay? So now we write import customer loan, okay? Here hapa import customer loan. After doing so, now you can see hii hapa kwenye loan no error, okay? And after form submitting, now tunafanya URL redirection. So return HTTP response redirected to loan page. This is a URL. So ngija katika file la URLs, okay? Now you can see I have a loan path. So hii path ndio tunaifanyia redirection loan, okay? So tunaifanyia redirection. Ukija katika views, then after form is submitted na data zishakuwa registered kwenye database, now registered is successful, then clear the form, okay? After then return this path loan. So itakuja ku return this path. Now this path ita return what? Temperature as well, loan.html, okay? So now good. After doing so, now come to HTML file, loan.html, this one. Okay, so open source code. Okay, then open templates. Okay, and open loan.html. Okay, okay, so now actually to add this form, I think just copy all. Okay, copy it and come to our project, remove this one and duplicate. Okay, okay, I think HTML is much simple. Hakuna mbaya sielewa. So div class equal to container and margin top equal to 4. This is just heading. Okay, this is body. Okay, this is div class card, I think inafahamika, and so on and so on. So hii tunakuja ku first tunakuja ku load I think we need to load Crispy tags. Okay, so just copy it from source code, come to a project, then after block content now paste. Okay, now hapa tumeload Crispy form tags. Okay, after then nakuja hapa, okay, na just kuandika hii hapa CSRF token for SQL injection na other forgery. Okay, so form wenyewe ndo hii hapa, form then Crispy form. After then you create a button, submit button, and this is a reset button. Okay, okay, so now good. So now save changes and come to run our project. So currently tuna run demo project, so this is demo project. So now stop demo project. Okay, control C, and now come to open our project from downloads. So access downloads. I think downloads nimesha access, nimeshafungua. Hii hapa ni command prompt. Our project ipo kwenye C users downloads. Okay, ukikumbuka. So now Python, think to just open our project again. Okay, downloads my project, then click on address bar, and then write cmd, then Python, then manage.py, then run, save. Okay, then click enter. Okay, so now you can see Python checks for syntax error, and then our system will run kwenye hii IP address. Okay, so now good. Now come to our project, then refresh. Okay, so now click it. Click. I think I need it to rerun. Okay, so I need to rerun. Okay, now good. So run again. Okay, so now our project current in a run. Okay, so now refresh. So now good. So on other pages, click on add on. Now you can see our form. When I click submit, username and so on is required, and click on admin. This is admin site. You use a username and password and click login. Okay, so hawa ni customers. Okay, and hizi ni loans. Okay, so now on loan, now just refresh again. Okay, so now loan ID, for example, is 10. Okay, and customer from database, we have 3 customers. Okay, this is a customer number 1, customer number 2, customer number 3. Okay, so from here you can choose your customer 1, number 3, 2, number 3. Okay, so employee ID is employee from a system. You can see employee is Eve, and department is human resource. So now employee, I think he is okay, no problem. Okay, so now our loan status is active, and requested amount is this one. Okay, and status is pending, and click submit. So registered is successful. Come to database and refresh. Now you come to loans. You can see loans imechukuliwa na huyu hapa. I think status is pending. Okay, so now I can click status is approved, and when I click OK, or there is multiple objects returns at admin. loan. Okay, so no problems. Tutai troubleshoot soon. Okay, soon try troubleshoot. Just refresh again, then from pending to approved, and okay, and from pending to rejected, for example. I think a mistake try. Okay, to try troubleshoot soon. What? Okay, so now open admin panel. Sorry, admin .py in where's admin? This one. Okay, so on admin now. Okay, admin ndo hapa. Okay, so I think hapa kila kitu kipo fresh. Okay, okay, so okay, I think there is a problem. Okay, so now critical kustopisha system, then run again, and after running now, come to add another loan. So add another loan ID is 11, and customer is this one, employee ID, and status requested amount is this one. Okay, then click save. So loan has been added. Okay, and as I click on a particular loan, I think there is a problem. Okay, okay, so I think to troubleshoot that problem next tutorials. I think try troubleshoot your problem in your next tutorial. There are problems somewhere. Okay, okay, so that is how to create add loan page. On previous episode we learned how to create add customer. Okay, so this is add customer, where you can add your customer here. Okay, on the previous episode, and to learn how to create what analytics page. So this is analytics. Okay, and to learn how to of course hizo ndo page ambazo zitengeneza, and this is home. Okay,